Welcome back, Kevin.
Thank
Always
you.
so great to see you.
Great to see you.
TextKevin.com. You know, we want to talk about how we should choose a personal injury attorney, because we've talked about some other subjects, but if viewers are really curious as to how we decide and who we decide to have as our personal injury attorney, what are some good tips?
Well, I mean, there's a number of different ways you can go about finding a personal injury attorney. I think that the most trusted way is probably to ask somebody whether or not they've had a good experience or a bad experience. I think the important thing, though, is to consult with an attorney, period. So you don't know what you don't know, and after an accident, there's a lot of areas that you could find yourself in that you don't want to be in. So for example, sometimes people's first inclination is to call the other driver's insurance company. The other driver's insurance company is going to want to take your recorded statement. And in the event that you don't settle your claim and you need to litigate it down the road, they're going to take your statement again. And they're going to compare it to that recorded statement they took at that time. So a lot of people don't realize that they don't have to give the insurance company a recorded statement. And whatever you say in that statement, they will use against you. And so these little things you can find yourself in, and then you'll call an attorney, but we can't unring that bell.
Yeah.
So the earlier that you contact one, the better.
And is your advice really, even though of course you are a personal injury attorney, but is your advice really you do need someone, you know, you do need a professional? Really?
No, not in all cases. So this just happened. I got a call yesterday and they said, hey, my wife got into an accident and there was a little bit of a language barrier. So I said, why don't you come into the office so that we can discuss it more and bring her with you. So he came in the office, and now on the phone call, he told me that she had some bruises. When he gets in the office, she says, well, he's translating for her, but basically she says, I'm not injured. But there was a case. And the bruises that she had actually turned out to be because she got out of the car and then she hit herself on her mirror. And so she bruised herself. So basically, you know, well, and then I asked, do you have any other injuries? And they said, no, there really is none. I said, that's fine. I still spent an hour with them telling them the ins and outs of what they should do in terms of getting their car repaired. Do they go through their insurance or the other driver's insurance? How do they get the traffic collision report and all these different things? So even though you might not need an attorney, it still benefits you to contact an attorney so that you can learn what to do and what not to do in those sorts of situations.
Well, that's fantastic that you're so honest. It's so good to know that they can have a consultation and not necessarily have to hire you if that's not in their best interest.
That's right. Consultations are free, and until you sign on a dotted line, you don't have to do anything that you don't want to do.
That's great. Well, I personally learned a lot.
Good.
Thank you. And our viewers can get you TextKevin.com.
TextKevin.com or call 760-4 million.
Great. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.